Hello friends, Reba here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you one of the most popular designs, the bubble stitch. You can have fun with two colors like I did in this sample, or keep it simple with just one. It's super fun, easy stitch that works beautifully for all kind of projects, cowls, blankets, cardigans, and more. For this pattern, you will cast on a multiple of 4 stitches plus 5. The basic design is worked over 8 rows, 4 rows of the main pattern followed by 4 rows to offset it. But if you would like deeper bubbles like the sample I'm showing here, simply repeat row 2 and 3 twice. That extends the repeat from 8 rows to 12. For today's demo, I'll be using a fine yarn with 2.5 millimeter needles and working the shorter version in a single color. I will also show you how to switch colors if you would like to try a two-color version. I have already cast on 17 stitches and worked one row of knit stitches for the base. If you want to knit along, get your base ready and don't forget to hit subscribe before we get started. Okay, I start row 1 on the wrong side. For the edge stitches, I'm gonna pick up the first stitch at the beginning of the row and knit the last stitch at the end. So for row 1, we start with picking up the edge stitch and then I'm gonna purl 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3 stitches. Then for the fourth stitch, I'm gonna do yarn over and then slip this stitch purlwise to my right needle. This is called SL1 yaw or slip 1 yarn over. Bring the yarn to the front and repeat again 3 purl stitches, slip 1 yarn over. One more time, 3 purl stitches, slip 1 yarn over, and we end the row with 3 purl stitches. Now I've knit my edge stitch. We finished row 1. We are in row 2. I start by picking up the edge stitch. This row is very similar. We're gonna knit 3 stitches and repeat SL1 yaw on top of the same stitch. I start by knitting 3 stitches and then SL1 yaw, yarn over and slip these 2 stitches together to the right needle. Now I have to yarn over on top of this stitch and this stitch is slipped. Repeat again, knit 3, slip 1, yarn over, knit 3, slip 1, yarn over, and the last 3 stitches will be knit stitches. And then I knit my edge stitch. We finished row 2. We are in row 3. Row 3 is exactly like row 1. I pick up my edge stitch, purl 3, and SL1 yaw, yarn over. It's like scooping this yarn here. And then pick up all those 3 stitches, I mean 1 stitch with 3 strands of yarn to right needle purlwise. Repeat again, purl 3, slip one yarn over, purl 3, and slip one yarn over, and end the row with 3 purl stitches, and then knit the edge stitch. We finished row 3. We are in row 4 now. Here we're gonna shape the pattern. I start by picking up the edge stitch. I have 3 knit stitches. I'm gonna knit those. And here, when you get to this stitch right here, you're gonna do the same. You're gonna knit all 4 stitches together. I insert my right needle and just knit it through all 3 or 4, sorry. 1 knit stitch plus 3 strands of yarn. Repeat again, knit 3 and knit 4 all together. Knit 3, knit all 4 together, and last 3 knit stitches and the edge stitch. So we finished the first section of the pattern, and the bubbles are already shaping. Now we're gonna work offsetting rows. I start by picking up the edge stitch, row 5. I'm gonna purl 1 stitch at the beginning, and then I will make the yarn over on top of this stitch. This is the center stitch of this bubble. So purl 1, yarn over, slip 1 purlwise. Then we're gonna purl 3 and repeat the same thing. Purl 3, slip 1, yarn over. Again, purl 3, slip 1, yarn over. Purl 3, slip 1, yarn over. This time at the end, I'm gonna have 1 purl stitch before my edge stitch. It's exactly like the beginning. Now row 6, knit 1, slip 1 yarn over, knit 3, slip 1 yarn over, and repeat across this row. Knit 3, slip 1 yarn over, and end with 1 knit stitch and the edge stitch. We are in row 7, wrong side. I pick up my edge stitch exactly like row 5, purl 1, slip 1 yarn over, purl 3, slip 1 yarn over, and you're gonna repeat the same thing across this row. And my last cell 1 row, then 1 purl stitch and knitting the edge stitch. Now I'm in row 8 and the last row of the repeat. I start by picking up the edge stitch, knit 1, and then knit 4 together. Then knit 3 and knit 4 together. Knit 3 and knit 4 together. Also, you can adjust your stitches to make your bubbles slightly bigger, but I prefer this size. And that's the end. So when you are working the offsetting rows, you can switch your yarn. And here I just finished my last row with the blue color. Now I'm gonna switch to the other color. It's just easy. You just hold the previous yarn along with the edge with your right hand, and then start by your edge stitch. You need to purl or knit this edge stitch. I'm gonna knit it. So this is my row 1 of the repeat. I will do 3 purl stitches and SL1 after that. So for each color I assigned one set of pattern. For white color I repeating the 4 first rows, and for the blue color I am working on the rest of the pattern. And as you can see, this is very easy pattern, and you will fall in love with the outcome. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video and knitting along with me. Let me know if you had any questions. Stay tuned for more tutorials from my channel. Happy knitting time.